Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out the Seagate 1TB portable hard drive. Now, if you know the difference between desktop and portable, portable happens to be portable, meaning you can bring it to a laptop, desktop, anything you want. It does not require external power to run. It uses the USB port to power the device. That's how you know the difference between portable and desktops. And here's the 1TB hard drive. I do also have the 4TB version of this, brand new. We're going to do the unboxing and testing of that as well. That'll be tomorrow. But it comes with a 2-foot cable, USB 3.0, the traditional, and the 1TB hard drive. Let's go check out the performance. So the program I use is Crystal Disk. And we're going to check this out now. We're just going to do, first we're going to do a 50 meg test. We're only interested in the sequential. The first test up here, read and write, basic. I'm not going to go into these extra 6 tests here. Just going to do basic read and write. That's pretty much the majority of what people are only interested in, and that's what's pretty much written on the box, if it actually says how fast it is. That is unbelievable. Holy crap. Now I have to do the last 2. I have to. It's going to take some time, but oh my God, that's impressive. Here we go. 16 gig file. Wow. 115.3 and 110.9. Holy macaroni. That's impressive. That's a 16 gig file. It took a substantial amount of time to do that test. But holy macaroni, that's impressive. For this portable drive operating on a USB 3.0 port, that's impressive. Now we're going to do the last test, 32 gig. Here we go. Holy macaroni, 112.5 megabytes a second and 110 for the write. And that's for a 32 gig file. That's impressive. I'm giving this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating just because of the performance of this drive. That is impressive, people. Oh my God. I'll have a link in the description below to buy this bad boy. I'm sure the 4TB version is just as fast. So in conclusion, this drive is impressive. I give it definitely the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because it achieved performance ratings that I was not expecting for such a small external portable hard drive. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of my new videos that come out. Take care and we'll see you next time.